It is time. Time for the lightning round quiz. We're back for lunch. I'm talking to by myself. So just be here on the course because there's not much difference. Grab some supply. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Skeet that. Turn the lightning round quiz. Let's start with Gary in Maryland. Gary.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
I'm doing well, Gary. How about you?
Good. I'd like to give a shout-out to Mr. Mark's business course. What's your opinion on the stock Visa?
Absolutely. My feeling on the stock of Visa is that is what I call an up stock. I'm going to give it twofer. I like MA, too, which is MasterCard. They have no credit risk, and they're doing incredibly well. I like them. Let's go to Gabe in California. Gabe.
Booyah, Jim.
Wow, I like that tongue roll. How can I help you?
Yes, Jim. So I have this stock. It's been bouncing between 110 and 120. I thought I picked it up at a good price, 105. Ever since then, it's been dropping. I find myself in the house of pain, 5.5 feet deep to be exact. Jim, what should I do with my position in Marvell Technologies?
Okay, Marvell has experienced an historic decline, which is incredible because it's actually in earnings having an historic advance. At this point, I have to tell you, I think Matt Murphy's stock has been punished enough. It does have a bit. I know, Mike. I know that without a doubt, someone's going to say, Jim, did you not see the head and shoulder pattern here? I don't care. I think you buy a quarter position now, and then if it gets to 50, you buy a little more, and that's why you use a 5-point increment after that, and I think you'll do fine. Remember, he bought a ton of stock. Remember, he bought $1 million worth of stock up above here. Let's go to Marshall in Illinois. Marshall.
Jim, thanks for taking my call, buddy. Appreciate it.
I'm thrilled you called, Marshall.
Thank you. I've been watching ASML Holdings drop since last July, and the price stabilized here recently. But in the last week, it's gone down another 9%.
Yeah.
And what I don't get is they have a robust backlog, a decent net profit. Their earnings have been
remember, they're a Dutch company, and the president is the president of the United States will not help a Dutch company do business in China. And that business in China is what's really necessary, and he just will not let that happen. By the way, that's not new. The previous president felt the same way. So there are real issues with our trade partners in ASML because they own one of the most crucial parts of the entire semiconductor food chain. Let's go to Mark in Wisconsin. Mark.
Dr. Cramer, thank you for taking my call.
My pleasure, Mark. What's happening?
Korea is ticker symbol ADMA. ADMA. Your thoughts?
Now, I have to do more work on ADMA, particularly because what I'm doing now in all this small biotechs is take a look at them versus what RFK is saying. It's too important for me to be able to cuff anything in biotech, because if RFK doesn't like it, of course, the HHS, then I am on the wrong side of the trade. So we got to be more careful there. I'll do more work. Timothy in Pennsylvania. Timothy.
Hey, how we doing, Jim? Booyah.
Booyah to you. What's happening?
I'm all right. I've been a listener since 2017, and I'm a first-time caller, so I want to thank you so much for taking my call.
And I thank you for calling. How can I help?
Yeah, I just want to thank you for first and foremost, during these uncertain times and shaky markets for helping us out and
thank you, man.
It's needed.
Thank you.
But
you're very kind.
I wanted to get your take on it. Absolutely, yes, sir. I wanted to get your take on a company I took a position in, as well as an option. Dividends help, but the PE is roughly 16. Company's name's Wendy's.
Okay, when I see that dividend that's almost 7%, that is what I call a red flag. You can't really have a dividend that high apart from anything else unless you're a utility company. I don't trust Wendy's. Eat the Baconator. Don't own the stock. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.